This is Mr. Spot right here. He's barking. We're following Mr. Spot. Where are you taking us, Mr. Spot? Where's Mr. Spot taking us? Where's Mr. Spot taking us? Oh, who is this? Is this Dimitri? Hello, Mr. Dimitri. How are you today? What are you watching? Some Russian television? Wow, that is amazing. How is Mr. Spot right here? Say something, Spot. Woof. Ruff, 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 ruff. Oh, he has very, very important papers. Okay, Mr. Dimitri. Bye-bye. Oh, now where's Spot taking us? Is he taking us in here? What's in there? Do you want to go? Let's go see what's in there, Spot. Where is Spot taking us? Oh, and Spot found something. He found Julia eating potatoes. Spot, where else do you want to take us, Spot? Come on. Oh, you want to stay here? Or come on. Let's see what else you can show us, Spot. Come on, Spot. Where else are you going to go? Come on. Now that we found Julia, who else are we going to find? We're going to the kitchen. We're going to the kitchen. What's in the kitchen? Some food. Some food. Oh, and it's Isabella. Hello, Isabella. And she's cooking. What is this? Cadete? Oh, it looks so tasty. Now where's Spot going? Spot's going right here. Oh, and he's sitting down. Oh, it's a little angel. It's a little angel. Oh.